Okay, so this is Balisong, aka a butterfly knife, and I'm going to make a video of some tricks that I learned with the Balisong relatively easily, with I think only hitting myself with the sharp blade once or twice. And they were barely able to break the skin breaks. So here goes. Okay, and then this one I'm going to stand for because it's a little bit tough to do while sitting, but it involves letting go of the knife. I'm not sure if that stayed in the screen. So that one's pretty fun, but again, awesome birthday present, and I like it. So that is it. Thanks.